Wall of Wonder and Wishing. I want to thank Art League and everyone who was so supportive and helpful in making this project possible. I want to thank Jenny Ash and Jimmy Castillo for spearheading this wonderful project. I would also like to thank Bridget Bray and Zaira Costignano. This has been a wonderful opportunity for me to display my artwork for the public to enjoy, for any passerby to discover or rest their eyes on for a minute, and perhaps smile or even wonder, what is this color business out here? Every painting I create is a visual snapshot of my life, like a visual diary of sorts. Even though the work I make is colorful, playful, and at times ephemeral, it doesn't mean that I do not experience sadness, grief, fear, or pain while I am making it. I want to leave behind something to look at and be able to delight in, wonder about, or be pleasantly surprised. This wall of wonder and wishing was definitely a healing, therapeutic, and celebratory experience. Life is so heavy, and sometimes it seems to pummel us. But the human spirit is wonderful, and it rallies us to put one foot in front of the other, stay positive, and smile on. Thank you so much, Art League, for this wonderful opportunity. And I hope that this platform's project continues for other artists to communicate and express themselves in this beautiful public environment.